Part 4. Number 26. Triton, Neptune's moon, orbits the planet backwards. Triton is the only big moon of any planet capable of doing so. This is referred to as a retrograde orbit, and astronomers aren't sure why Triton orbits Neptune in this manner. Number 27. Triton is steadily approaching the planet it orbits. Scientists fear that if Triton goes too close to Neptune, it could be ripped apart by the planet's gravity, potentially forming a new ring around it, giving Neptune more rings than Saturn. Number 28. In space, there are more stars than there are grains of sand on the planet. There are 10 times as many stars in the night sky as there are grains of sand on Earth, with 70 sextillion stars visible via a telescope from Earth. Number 29. One orbit of the Sun takes Neptune roughly 165 Earth years. That's the equivalent of 60,190 Earth days to complete one orbit of the Sun. Neptune's orbital speed is 3.37 miles per second, 5.43 kilometers per second. This means it has only completed one orbit since it was found in 1846. Number 30. Charon, Pluto's biggest moon, is half the size of Pluto itself. Mutual tidal locking occurs when the same surfaces of Charon and Pluto always face each other. Number 31. The International Space Station is the world's largest manned spacecraft. The International Space Station, ISS, which is 119 yards, 109 meters, long and sits about 250 miles, 400 kilometers, above the Earth, is the third brightest object in the night sky. Number 32. On Pluto, a day is made up of 153.6 hours. This translates to 6 days, 9 hours, and 36 minutes. Number 33. Saturn is our solar system's second largest planet. It has a diameter of 36,184 miles, 58,232 kilometers, which is 9 times that of the Earth. However, because to its low density, it is only about 1/8 the weight of Earth. Number 34. In outer space, any free-moving liquid will condense into a sphere. This is due to a phenomenon known as surface tension, which is the result of an imbalance in intermolecular attractive forces. In low Earth orbit, this can also happen. Number 35. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The inner planets are so named because they orbit the Sun the closest. A planet within the asteroid belt is classified as an inner planet. Number 36. Our knowledge of Mars and the Moon exceeds that of our oceans. We have completely mapped the surface of Mars and the Moon, but only around 5% of the ocean floor has been surveyed. Number 37. The Black Arrow satellite is the first and only British satellite to be launched by a British rocket. Between 1969 and 1971, Black Arrow was developed in the 1960s and used for 4 launches. It was recovered from its crash landing site in Australia's outback and displayed in Pennacook, Scotland, in 2019. Number 38. Only 5% of the cosmos can be seen from Earth. Dark energy makes up 68% of the universe, whereas dark matter makes up 27%. Even with a telescope, both of these are invisible, implying that we can only view 5% of the universe. Number 39. In less than 10 minutes, light travels from the Sun to the Earth. Photons emitted from the Sun's surface travel at the speed of light across the vacuum of space, arriving at our eyes in only 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 40. There are at least 2,000 thunderstorms on the planet at any given time. Every year, an estimated 16 million thunderstorms occur around the world.